Hi friends, today we will discuss on a topic which everybody needs. Do not fear. Face fears, face challenges. Do not be afraid to face challenges. All great people have confronted tremendous challenges to be successful. Let us learn from them. Let us learn from their biographies. Let us learn from their successful career, how they have moved from a very minor stage to a very hi-fi stage at the world's most renowned people. Let us start with Einstein, the great scientist who is world famous. It is learned his mother was told by his school principal that her son would not amount to much in his life. But think how he has grown. He is now an idol. So don't bother for others' remarks. One day, young Thomas Edison came home from school and gave a letter to his mother. He told his mother, "My teacher gave this to me and told me to give it only to my mother." Reading the letter, his mother felt very bad and her eyes began to swell with tears. Controlling the emotions, she read the letter to the young Thomas. "Your son is genius. This school is not advanced enough and does not have enough good teachers to teach him. Please teach him yourself." Hearing his mother's words, he grew with excitement. These words motivated him. Many years later, his mother passed away. One day when he was packing her belongings, he stumbled upon a folded letter written by his teacher. He read the letter, but this time the contents did not match what he listened from his mother. The letter stated, "Your son is mentally ill. He can no longer attend our school. He is expelled." His mother did a great job keeping away the negative from his ears with what was good for him. Edison became the greatest inventor of all times. Let us be proud for his successes. Thomas Edison failed 9999 times while creating the light bulb. And a journalist asked him, How does it feel to have failed 9999 times? Edison said, "I have not failed. I have had great success finding 9999 ways that do not work." On next attempt, he succeeded and became one of the greatest inventors in the world, for which billions of people are benefited now, and it will pursue over generations. What a great achievement, and how it was started. Let us listen to the history of Walt Disney. Walt Disney was told by a newspaper editor that he lacked imagination and had no good ideas. His theme park concept was trashed 302 times. But he continued, and that is why Disneyland has come up. These incidences are told in short, but these are great incidents, great sources of learning. Be careful to listen and learn from these things. Walt Disney has made the Disneyland, which we can now be proud of, and he is a great billionaire today. Henry Ford's success entailed many failures and challenges. We know his innovative manufacturing process ultimately produced low-cost, reliable vehicles. He told, "Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently, because there was learning from failures." In the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, the famous story is except 3 feet away from gold. 3 feet from gold. You may be knowing this incident, but this incident is a great incident to teach. It teaches us a great lesson. Once you decide to do a job, never quit. Never quit. It is told winners never quit. It is told winners never quit and quitters never win. Failure is a trickster with a keen sense of irony and cunning. It takes great delight in tripping one when success is almost within reach. Quitting when almost the gold level was there. Quitting that attempt 3 feet away from the gold is a great lesson. Never quit. Oprah Winfrey, the great leader. I really feel very excited when I listen to her talks, inspirational talks. She was told she was unfit for TV, but she has proved to be most successful woman across the world. She now heads her own channel, OWN. Great success. If J.K. Rowling stopped after being turned down by multiple publishers for several years, there would have been no Harry Potter. She turned out to be a billionaire in 2012. She has learned from many failures and successes. We should see how these people have grown up. We should never quit in trying to reach our goal. Stephen King received 30 rejections for Carrie. He is one of the best-selling authors of our times. Michael Jordan is famous for embracing failure repeatedly until he reached success. His quote, "I have missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I have lost almost 300 games, 26 times. I have been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I have failed over and over again in my life, and that is why I succeed." Great success of Michael Jordan teaches us we should try again and again, and we should try from all corners, day and night. That shows our passion and inspiration. A great lesson from Jack Ma, the Chinese leader, the Chinese investor, great successful person, net worth now almost 4690 crores US dollar, founder of Alibaba Group. His life is perhaps the greatest example of successes through failures. He failed primary school twice, middle school thrice. He also failed in university entrance exam 3 times. He was rejected by police force and even KFC and so on. But think how he is now. One of the greatest industrialists, one of the greatest person in the world, in the billionaires list. Dhirubhai Ambani, a great Indian industrialist, founder of Reliance Industries, a giant petrochemical industries, who was born in a village school teacher family and started his career as a clerk. He started his business on spices and then slowly developed. He has established such a great industry which we are now proud of. His famous quote, "Only when you dream it, you can do it." Think big, think fast, think ahead. Our dreams have to be bigger. So tighten your belt, face fears, and achieve your goals. Thank you. Wish you good luck.